Hello, I welcome you all at APSON Motors. Today we have Mr. Jasmin Patel. How are you, sir?
I'm good, thank you. How about you?
All good, sir. How would you like to describe your relationship with APSON Motors, sir?
In spite, actually, Hiren Bhai is one of the my good friend, and we have been associated for many years. And today I visited their stall, and I've seen the numbers of different range of the machines, and especially the Chetak, which they have launched in this exhibition. It will be the like game changer in the elevator industry, because we have a lot of inquiries where we required high speed machines, and also for the industrial elevators where the heavy weight machines is required for the high rise buildings as well as the industrial where the floor height is very high, and we haven't seen such type of machines in Indian market. Any manufacturer, those who's manufacturing such machines, and we hope that this will be the game changer for the elevator industry in India. And Epson is one of first company who is introduced such kind of machines, and we definitely will cooperate for further projects, and we will have a good cooperation with Epson in future. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Also, how would you describe our product quality?
Yeah, product quality, as far as we have introduced one machines, and we have seen that the performance is very good, and the technical knowledge Iran Bhai and their team has, and they have guided us in many projects that what kind of machines is need to be used, and what technical aspect that matters for the particular application. And the quality, we have visited their factory, it is absolutely at par technically, and also the commercially, and we can say that the in elevator industry they are going to be next level, and we wish them a very good business in future.
Thank you so much for your kind words, sir. Thank you so much for joining us.